They make a huge difference to us here at the Nature Centre because we wouldn't be able to do our jobs without them. So it's fantastic. They do, yes, pretty much everything. So all-rounder jobs, from washing up, picking up poo, pretty much what we do. So it's really helpful. We love them very much. We couldn't do our jobs without them, and thank you.
I only come in one day a week now, but I just love coming in here. They're pretty easy with me. I wash up, clean the fridge out, look after the lizards, wash up again, you know. If there's any mending, actually, would you believe, I do the mending so of different things. Apart from the animals, I like the companionship of the girls and the guys. I think I didn't have these opportunities when I was young, and I think I would have made a great ranger or something, but girls had to do girls' jobs, boys to boys' jobs, and I'm just thoroughly enjoying doing this type of work now.
I've been volunteering for 3 years. I really love making enrichment for all the animals and seeing them play with it all and explore around. I enjoy volunteering because it's really great to help people out and also be around the animals at the same time.